Hello class, today we're going to learn how to insert an image into your autobiography. So this should be an image of you or something that you feel represents you, and it should be, of course, school appropriate. So I took a picture of myself, and if you do this with your camera, the easiest way probably to get it onto your Google Doc is either to save it to your Google Drive, save it to your computer, or as I did, I emailed it to myself. So here we see my email. Title selfie. We're going to open that up, and my picture is attached here below. So I'm going to save that to my, actually let's go here, let's download it. We'll do it that way. So it's going to download, and it's going to default most likely to your download folder. So I'll download to your download folder. So remember that with location. You can also access it by clicking here and clicking show in folder. If you click show in folder, it'll open it up. Maybe. And now you can see here we have our folder path, and you can see it's here in downloads. So we'll close that. Now we have our picture saved to our computer or saved to your Google Drive. Either way, whichever one you want. We can go to our document, and here we have it. And I'm going to click on Insert and Image. And there's different options here. Option 1, you can upload it from your computer. Option 2, if you have a camera on your computer, you can take a snapshot. If it's a image online, you can use the URL or the web link, which usually appears here in the address box. Or you can use your albums from your Google Photos, or you can search from your Google Drive. So if you just save to Google Drive, that's where you find it. Or if it's just a general internet search, you want to find any image online, you can click there, search. We saved it to our computer, so we're going to click on Upload, choose Image. And there we go, we have it right there. Click on that, hit open. And there we have it. Now right now, if you click on your image, you'll see you have inline, wrap text, or break text. So right now, inline just means it lines up the text like this. Wrap text means it will start from the top and just wrap the text around it. Break text means that it will basically push the text above or below. So if we move this down a little bit, like right here, you'll see it pushes the text above or below. You can also right-click on the image and click on Image Options or Crop Image. Crop will be able to make it a little smaller to cut the size down. Image Options allows you to recolor it. You can choose different options like that. You can adjust transparency and make it fade in or out, brightness and contrast, and so forth. So that is how you add an image. I'm going to prefer wrap text here. Bring it up to the top, and we'll put it right there. And now we have a nice image to go with our autobiography. Thank you.